Here is a message from the President's home.
Greetings, viewers and turkeys in England land. I'm here to tell you that those naughty little spitting image folk are back again on Sunday at 10 o'clock. This is Ronald Reagan speaking from his home. And these are some of the other inmates. Hi, fellas. Well, so long, and thank you for letting me into your home. Is that a jar of jelly beans on the table? I love those.
Sundays at 10 on I.T.V. Spitting image. You'd be mad to miss it.
He said, "Where's Bernard?" The doorman said, "Bernard's out for a while, take a seat." He said, "I'm from MFI, I'll take the lot."
Oh, my goodness. Do you know, all the superpowers phone me up when they're in trouble. That Captain Kirk phoned me up the other day. He says, "Super Grand, somebody sneaked onto the Starship Enterprise and stole all the toilets." Oh, I said, that's terrible. He says, "We've phoned the police, but they've got nothing to go on." I says, "Well, you'll just have to boldly go where no man's gone before."
Hello, hello?
I've got something here no household should do without.
Yes, what is it?
A pen, guaranteed never to run out. And do you know what? It's only 99p.
A pen that will never run out? Only 99p? I'll have one.
Just hang on there. I'll go get it.
I didn't like it much, though. I wasn't keen. All that bum pinching and groping. Then the police came along and made me stop doing it. Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I wanna be a part of it. New York, New York. I wanna wake up in a city that doesn't sleep.
A city that doesn't sleep? What am I going to do with all these pyjamas?
They call me the man with no name. No wonder I'm a loner. When folks call up, they don't know who to ask for.
Hello, dear. Enjoying the new job?
Yes, thank you, Besla. I feel quite at home.
Why, dear? Is it a chamber of horrors?
No, Besla, it's a library. Now, what do you want?
A book, actually, surprisingly enough, dear.
Really? Which one?
It's called The Sledgehammer and its Role in the Modern Marriage.
Don't be ridiculous. Now, do you want a book or not?
Yes, dear. Do you have Man Master of
Certainly. It's in the fiction department.
Scorpion. Well, in that case, do you have the hardback edition of Teach Yourself Spanish?
Spanish. Oh, yes, here it is. Oh, it's rather a big book. Now, are you going to improve your relationship with Manuel?
That's right, dear.
No, you're going to learn his language.
No, I'm going to hit him with it.
You know, I hate living in Albert Square. It's awful. I mean, I had a fire in my flat, right? I mean, it was awful. It cost thousands of pounds worth of improvements. The fire brigade were hammering at my front door for half an hour. So I had to let them out.
Little song here, all about my brother Andrew. When I was just a little boy, I asked my mummy, what will I be? Will I be handsome? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. Yes.
This is the most disgraceful case of nepotism I have ever encountered. The defense counsel has turned out to be your brother. The clerk of the court is your uncle. 8 of the jury are related to you directly, and the other 4 are friends of your sisters. But despite this, I am going to let you leave this court a free man without a blemish to your name. Thank you, Daddy.
Welcome once again to a new departure for me, reading stories. Yeah, Ben's fairy stories for the kids, very nice indeed. Okay, I don't think. All right, okay. This is the story of 3 blind mice. 3 blind mice, see how they run. That's nice, isn't it, eh? Watching blind mice knock themselves senseless, trying to work out which way they're going. Very nice indeed, I don't think. All right. Hey, jolly nice little nursery rhyme all about disadvantaged animals, yeah. Very socially minded, I don't think, yeah. Oh, bit of social comment there. Better keep it uncontroversial for the kiddies. All right, well done, Ben. Okay. So, 3 beagles in a laboratory. 3 beagles in a laboratory. See how they really enjoy themselves setting off for things with all the cigarette coupons they're collecting, yeah.
Oh, well, hello, good afternoon, and tell me, sir, did you enjoy your book?
Yes, thank you. The Miracle of Helium. There was only one problem, though.
Oh, what was that?
I couldn't put it down.
What's that? Do you know what it is?
I do.
What is it? It's a Hoover. It's no Hoover. No, it's not a Hoover. No, it's a metal detective. It's correct. Aye, where'd you get it? I got that scrap metal dealer. Aye. I had a bit of trouble, though. Bit of trouble, why? I had a bit of trouble. It took me 5 hours to get it out of the yard, yeah. But I'll tell you, it can detect metal anywhere in the green. In the green? Aye, in the green. Aye, in the green. Oh, look at that. Why do you keep doing that for? Keep doing what? The beep, 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 beep. Oh, it saves them batteries.
Well, this is good, isn't it, sweethearts, eh? I've been down the Vic. Must have had one too many, eh? And I had too much to drink and all. But when I wake up, I'm stuck here with an hideous wretch.
Does she need me? She surely does. Igor Javison here.
Here, why do they call you Igor?
Igor, blimey, I don't know. I got my name in prison.
I'll get it. It's a nickname.
She calls me an idiot, Rik.
I don't know why I'm laughing. This is a fine way to end up. Kept prisoner by a power-mad, deranged egomaniac.
Yes, it is I. Oh, Baron Wogenstein. Yes, at your service.
Here, why are you keeping me here?
It's from the experiment. I need someone unspoiled, innocent, and as pure as the driven snow.
Boy, have I got bad news for him.
Don't tell me Igor's at it wrong again. Igor, come here, come here.
Yes, master.
Listen, I told you to get me a maiden of fair heart.
A maiden of fair heart? I thought you said a drunken old tart.
Good evening.
Oh, you poor darling. Who did that terrible thing to your face?
I've always looked like this. Sorry to disturb you, darling, but there's somebody waiting outside to see you.
Really? Who is it?
Count Dracula.
Oh, not him. He's a pain in the neck.
Nice to bite you, No! Lovely.
Can I offer you a drink?
Yes, that'll be very nice. I'll have the fresh blood of a young virgin.
Don't look at me, sweetheart.
The fresh blood of a young virgin. Perhaps I can be of assistance.
On second thoughts, I think I'll have a cherryade.
Very droll, Count, but tell me, what's the real reason of your visit?
Well, I've heard you've had some evil goings on.
I could tell you stories that'd make your hair stand on end.
No, don't. It puts so much strain on the glue.
We can rock and roll and we can get on down. You know we're really concerned. I just pop my lid, I just shake my hips, and the money keeps a rolling in. Yeah, the money keeps a rolling in. Some people say I look like a film star as a back out of Maryland. I'm sorry to hurt your feelings, Tina. It's more like a rich engine. I look like a film star. Is it Clint or is it James Caan? I don't agree with you, Mick. You look more like the Elephant Man. We can rock and roll and we can get on down. You know we're really concerned. I just pop my lid, I just shake my hips, and the money keeps a rolling in. Yeah, the money keeps a rolling in. Do you realize the last time we kissed we were stuck for 3 whole days? I wouldn't say your mouth was big, but you could eat a banana sideways. Now look at me with my good looks. I'm all the young girls swooning. You stuck your head out the car last week and we're fined £100 for mooning. We can rock and roll and we can get on down. You know we're really concerned. I just pop my lid and I just shake my hip, and the money keeps a rolling in. Yeah, the money keeps a rolling in. Yeah, the money keeps a rolling in.
You've just joined us at a famous racetrack near Brands Hatch. Earlier today on this tortuous circuit, the little Metro 6R4 held its own against the famous Audi Quattro. Later in practice, the Grand Prix cars were running neck and neck, but it's the start of the race where you'll see a difference. So it's 19 and 20 in pole position. They're under starters' orders, lots of wheel spin. Hey, just look, Scalextric have fitted smoke generators. What a start! You can't beat Scalextric from Hornby.
The Sunday Market at Peace Hall, Halifax, will be open once again for Christmas shopping tomorrow and every Sunday until Christmas.
What's in your stars for 1988?
Get People Plus in full colour free with the People tomorrow and find out.
Your love life.
Your money.
Family.
Career.
Health.
Travel.
Love and marriage predictions for Charles and Diana by Russell Grant.
Stars' birth dates. How they follow their horoscopes.
What's in your stars?
Don't miss colourful People Plus. Free with the People tomorrow.
actually, I had breakfast with my Auntie Margaret the other morning. I don't know what she puts on her Rice Krispies, but they went snap, crackle, and...
I went to the optician the other day. I said, what the hell did I say? Oh, yeah. I said, I want a pair of glasses. He said, well, I'm going to test your eyes. Okay. He said, now put your left hand over your right eye. I went, I said, no, your right hand over your left. He said, hold on. He went in the back, he got a Kellogg's box, he cut a hole out, and he put it over my head. I said, hey, I wanted a pair of gold rims just like my brother.
I was lost in France. In the fields the birds were singing. I was lost in France.
Oh, heck, that makes two of us.
I will ask you again. And if you lie, may you be struck by lightning and burst into flames. Are you guilty?
I refuse to answer on the grounds that I might incinerate myself.
Hey, the nose. I stayed at Woolpat the other morning for breakfast. And Amos Braley came up to me. He said, you want some eggs? I said, aye. He said, do you want them poached? I said, no, I'll pay for them.
But those East End scriptwriters keep making me aggressive. But I'm not really. It's just that when things go wrong in the plot, I get a bit heavy with the eye makeup.
Have you ever noticed the funny things that women say? My wife said to my little boy the other day, that's right, go out in the garden, go play with the lawnmower, chop your legs off, but don't come running to me when you go.
My name is Paul Daniels, and I'm a magician who will not audition and hate competition. So with your permission and no intermission, I'll take my position and do a few tricks. In the early days when I performed me magic, people threw things and would call out. I'll admit me act was very close to tragic, causing handfuls of hair to fall out. I know what I've got, and that's not a lot. It is said by some that I wear lifts in my shoes. If I do, it's 'cause I'm little. I no longer wear a wig, but use a hairspray. My hair thicker, but so brittle. I'm paid large amounts. Every second counts. My name is Paul Daniels, and I'm a magician who'll bring you fruition with my exhibition. I'll take recognition for each apparition. Who needs your permission? Now that's magic.
Oh, I've come out in a rash. Oh, I say. Yeah, but what a world we live in today. Sin and depravity all around. Everywhere you look, there's loose morals and debauchery. Wicked and evil goings on. Weaknesses of the flesh and venial sinful pleasures occurring under our very noses. I just wish I could get some of it.
And when you're in hospital, you have to wear those hospital gowns, don't you? You know, the white jobs. They only come up to here, and you wear nothing at all underneath. It's so embarrassing, isn't it? You know, and if you drop something, don't bend down to pick it up. I did. I went, oh, look, there's that thing. I'll just bend down. What? Somebody take the temperature.
You know, a guy come up to me the other day. He said, I'm from the Dallas Bottle Bank. Oh, I said, gee, great. When can I open an account? Anyway, here's one for the road. was for the M4.
Thank goodness he's gone, Master. Here, I've got something to show you.
Not again, Igor. You showed it to me 6 times yesterday.
No, come this way, look.
Well, what is it? What is it, you fool?
I don't know, I found it in Dr. Jekyll's room. It's some kind of transformation liquid.
Igor, this is too good a chance to miss. I must try it. On second thoughts, it might be dangerous. You try it.
Oh, very well, Master. How tickled I am. Love is like a violin.
Igor, be quiet. Prepare the transformer for the experiment.
Very well, Master. I'm full of plumptiousness.
What experiment is this, then?
It's my creation. I'm going to drain away your human life source.
You keep your thieving hands off my gin.
I'm going to take away all your human living functions and give them to my own creature.
Here, have you done this sort of thing before?
Of course he has. He made me the perfect android.
Perfect. Why, you got an amp?
Well, he had to have somewhere to put the batteries. I do, Master. Here is the transformer. And here is the lifeless body.
Right, let us prepare them. There you go.
We never have nice weather for it.
At last, my dream will come true. When Igor pulls that lever, the life force will transfer between you and the creature, and she'll live. Igor, pull the lever.
We've got to put the 10p in.
It's worked. Look,
it created another monster.
The comedy team are never quite what they may seem. They look at life a slightly different way. Copycats are quite a crew. They greet you with who do you do? A million different people every day. Each show comprises new disguises and surprises.
Well, hi there. This is David Jensen. You know, you've probably seen my new show, The Roxy. You know, I don't want anybody anymore to call me kid, because I'm an adult now, and if one more person calls me kid, I'm gonna get me dad, and he's gonna come round and get me.
Psst, it is I, Michelle, the Resistance. Listen very carefully. I will say this only once. René said to me, do you know the difference between making wild, passionate love and a chicken leg? I said no. He said, you want to come on a picnic?
It's me, Phil Cool, your flexible face. I went to the pictures last night to see Gremlins. And that was just the ice cream seller.
Watch your mates. Yes, this is me, Danny LaRue. Yes, I've just created the role of King Kong on stage. There was a giant poster outside. It said, see the live gorilla fall in love with a beautiful woman. Well, it was the first night. And the gorilla got a bit mad and went all romantic. Well, loves, I shouted, I screamed. I said, get off, you beast. I'm not a real woman. The gorilla said, shut up. Do you want to get us both the sack?
Lloyd Grossman here, looking through the keyhole. Now, this large house could possibly belong to Joan Collins because of the sign in the door that says, Coach Party's welcome. But let's look through the door and see if we can find any clues.
I want us all to hold hands together and go our separate ways.
Now, this could belong to a man of the cloth or a politician. Let's look through a window. Oh, yeah, he's a good boy.
Well, let's look through the back door.
And as they go round the bend, it's Alka-Seltzer on the outside for the back.
And they got about 8 more laps to go.
And news coming up. In Rochdale today, 300 people held hands to form a huge circle. Cyril Smith was being measured for a pair of trousers. And finally, a plastic surgeon's announced the new method to make Prince Charles's ears a foot long. He's going to fold them in half.
Impressionists.